In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Some of the people become so much useless, redundant, crippled. They are always found doing nothing. They are free. They don't want to do anything else. Either they remain busy in thinking, thinking, and thinking, brooding, or they make themselves busy, they keep themselves busy in the useless activities. They try to spend their time with the people without any purpose, without any reason. It is not bad to spend the time with the people. It is not bad. Provided you have done some work, you did some work as well, you did try to accomplish your activities as well, your work, your responsibilities as well. It is not bad, it is good rather. It is good, it is necessary, it is useful. But if at all you are spending your opportunity time, your work time, if at all you are consuming your work time, your opportunity time, the time which should be used for the sake of work, for the career activities, for certain other useful necessary thing, if at all you are found brooding during this time, if at all you are found busy in the useless activities, in meeting and spending the time with the people unnecessarily, this actually means that not good. You are crippled. That particular person is crippled, has crippled one's own life. Now we need to see whether what is the reason behind it and how to rehabilitate them. What is the reason behind it and how to rehabilitate them. This needs to be pondered upon. This needs to be pondered upon. We need to deliberate upon it. First of all, what is the reason? These people, their thinking has become negative. What is the negative thinking here? They are having heaps of complaints, remorse, repentance against what someone else did to them, what this person, what their loved one did to them, their closer people did to them, the society did to them and is doing. This is what they keep thinking. They are having complaints and complaints and complaints and unending complaints. Their complaints are towards from everyone else. The more close somebody is, the more number and of complaints they will be having against the closer people, the closest people, the closer people, the close people, the friends, the acquaintances, the society. Complaints, complaints, complaints. Always found brooding. They are always found in deep thinking, or they will be found busy with the people just to consume the time, just to spend the time, just for the sake of time pass. Time pass is not bad. If at all you have already did your responsibilities, you did try to fulfill your responsibilities, you did try to tackle to work to handle your work, your responsibilities. Having done all of that, spending time with the people, spending time in your hobbies, enjoying the time, relaxation time, that is all fine and that is all fine. These people are wasting their opportunity time, the time which should be used and which should be consumed for the sake of solving your problems, for the sake of moving forward, for the sake of development, for the sake of leading for the sake of constructing a better life and doing something for the life hereafter as well. So, this huge load of negativity, this huge load of complaints, very severe, very deep complaints, has made them useless, has rendered them redundant, has made them redundant. So I think so. We need to put a full stop here. No more complaints against the people. We can learn from the bad attitudes, from the good attitudes, from the bad deeds, from the good deeds, from all sort of deeds. We can learn from the people. We can learn from our own experiences, and we can somehow resolve to do better. We can resolve not to trust someone else. We can resolve to become a more realistic and more practical person, and trusting so much away from trusting so much upon the people. So this is what needs to be done actually, which unfortunately we are not found doing. So brooding, consuming the time in the useless activities, consuming the time unnecessarily, opportunity time consuming with the people. That is all bad. That is all what has made us rendered useless person, futile person. I think we need to think positive. We need to keep this thing in mind that these people are human beings. Why am I expecting the behavior of the angels from these people? Why am I trusting and why am I relying so much upon these people? I think that these people will do whatever suits them, whatever they like, whatever they deem proper, and they are not going to act according to my desires. They are not going to act according to my wishes. So that is what I need to think. That is the way I need to think, and that is why, and I shouldn't be get worried about at all. I shall protect myself from the negative effects of the people, from the negative effects of the bad behavior of the people in the future and in the present. And that is, I have to protect myself from any sort of damage being done from the other people. This is my own responsibility, and I shall get busy. I shall get busy in doing the useful, in the doing the beneficial things. I shall keep myself busy. Now it is not so practicable, not so easy to have a very nice plan from the very beginning and to work accordingly. I think we need to start working randomly, and we should keep working randomly as well. But with the passage of time, automatically a sort of order will take place, and we will start evolving a very nice plan and projects about our life as well, and our work will become according to those plans and projects, and it will not remain random forever. But initially, to start rolling the things, just to begin, I think that we should start doing the things in a random way. That is all on the subject. Hopefully there is a lot to learn out of it. There is a lot to get our lives changed according to it. Thank you. Jazakallah.